Kriti on Krishna. Kandu Nyan Kannane is a Malayalam devotional song on Sri Guruvayurappan, an incarnation of Lord Krishna. I saw Krishna with my eyes. I saw Krishna, who has the color of Kayambu flower all over the sky. Guruvayur temple has opened. Krishna came running and embraced me. The shlokam talks about the intense separation of Krishna and Radha Devi. Hey Keshava, in your separation, Radha has become very weak at heart. Even the fine necklace she wears has become burdensome. O Radhika, O Krishna, O Radhika. He came with the musical sound of the flute, and he stood there wearing a peacock feather in his hair. In front of the temple, his smile was as bright as the full moon of Ambari. I saw the beautiful smile, and I felt astonished, lost. Lyrics are penned by Vayalar Madhavan Kutty, music composed by Pandit Ramesh Narayan.
is a Narasimha Ashtakam followed by Tilana. O Narasimha, who is the death to the great Asura, who is like billions of full moons without any stains, and he who carries Lakshmi, who is pretty and has a flowing mane. Please protect me from this ocean of birth and death, O storehouse of mercy. O Narasimha, your divine body, wearing a pretty blessed crown, forest garland, and fish-like gem, studded ear studs shining like the stars, living in the unapproachable residence of yours. Worship the sacred feet of Lord Narasimha, singing the praise of Lord Narasimha. Hearing the prayers of child Prahlada, Lord Narasimha descended quickly, killed the demon Hiranyakashipu, and wore his intestines around his neck. When celestials trembled with fear, and when Sri Lakshmi implored, Lord Hari descended as Narasimha, the man-lion, from a pillar. On the earnest appeals of Shiva and Brahma and other gods, Narasimha was pacified. He is none other than Lord Purandara Vitala. Narasimha Ashtakam, followed by Tilana, in Ragam, Ragamalika, Talam, Adi, and will be followed by the Mangalam.
ಒದಗಿದ ಸಿರಿಹರಿಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಹರಿವಿರಿಂಚಾರ್ಯರು ಕರವೆತ್ತಿ ಮುಗಿಯಲು ಪರಮ ಶಾಂತನಾದ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಸುರಗಣ ನಡುವರು ಸಿರಿದೇವಿ
That was an amazing performance. Can we have one more round of applause, please? We would like to close the program with some words from Neetanti.
Thank you, Vaishnavi and Bhumika. Harsha, can I have you up on stage, please? At the outset, I would like to thank our musicians, without whose support the Rangapravesha would not have been as decorative as it was. So I thank Neela, Ravi, Prasad, Krishna Prasad, and Arun Kumar with all my heart. Thank you so much, each of you. I'd like to thank our Sampradaya family. Today it was amazing to see some of my students who have come from Phoenix. Although many of you are on vacation, you still came here to support Harsha. You cut down your vacation and you're here supporting Harsha. And that is really something amazing, and you're really fortunate to have all your friends. So we had Vaishnavi and Bhumika doing MC, and we had Janani. You did an amazing job with the lighting. Thank you. So thank you to the parents of my Sampradaya family too, who have been helping. I'd like to thank parents of Harsha, Shobha and Krishna Kumar. You are an amazing parents. I have seen how hardworking you have been throughout, and not only that, your love for art and for this art form and your respect for the art form and for me has been very humbling for me in person. So thank you so much for everything that you have done for Harsha through this art form. It is not easy supporting the children and giving them the right values, and you have done all of that with Harsha. She has been such an amazing student, and I think it's all because of your hard work and the values that you have passed on to Harsha. Harsha, you may not understand everything that your parents do for you, but you're too young to understand. Parents don't come with, children don't come with guidance or a manual. So it's not easy nurturing children in the United States with all the culture and everything. They do not have the exposure like the children have out here. We do not have dance showing on TV. We do not have shows like you have here. With all that, it is not that easy teaching them our culture and art. But thanks to Shobha and Krishna Kumar, you have done an amazing job with Harsha. Now, regarding Harsha, I just don't know how this child does everything with such a smile. She has been an inspiration not only to the children but to me as well, because of your hard work, your determination. No matter what life has thrown at you, you have walked up with a bright smile like it has been nothing. You have done very well for yourself in your studies. You have done well for in Bharatanatyam, in art and everything possible. So I congratulate you. I know every class you would ask, Neetanti, how am I doing? You've done well. Keep it up and God bless you.
I would like to call up Auntie and Uncle on stage so they can give a vote of thanks.
നമസ്തേ. ഇന്ന് ഹർഷയുടെ പെർഫോമൻസ് കണ്ടിട്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ അവസരത്തിൽ പറയാൻ വാക്കുകളില്ല. കഠിനമായ പരിശ്രമത്തിലൂടെ ഒന്നും അസാധ്യമല്ലെന്ന് അവൾ ഞങ്ങളെ കാണിച്ചു തന്നു. ഹർഷ, വി ആർ വെരി പ്രൗഡ് ഓഫ് യു. ഇന്ന് ഇത് സാധ്യമാക്കി തന്ന ജഗദീശ്വരന് നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. ഇവിടെ കൂടിയിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ നന്ദി. പലരും ദൂരസ്ഥലങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും എത്തിയവരാണ്. ഹർഷയുടെ ഗുരു നീത മല്ലയോട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ നന്ദിയും കടപ്പാടും അറിയിക്കുന്നു. മ്യൂസിഷ്യൻ വോക്കൽ നീല രാമാനുജ, മൃദംഗം NG രവി, ഫ്ലൂട്ട് കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ, റിതം പാട്ട് അരുൺ കുമാർ, മേക്കപ്പ് ആർട്ടിസ്റ്റ് ഷൈല, ചീഫ് ഗസ്റ്റ് ഡോക്ടർ റെജി നായർ, അജിത് കുമാർ, അരിസോണ മലയാളികളുടെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട ഡോക്ടറായ ഡോക്ടർ മഞ്ജു പിള്ളൈ, MC വൈഷ്ണവി ആൻഡ് ഭൂമിക, അവരുടെ പേരൻസ്, കേരള ഹിന്ദു അസോസിയേഷൻ മുൻ പ്രസിഡന്റ് മനു നായർ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഫാമിലി മെമ്പേഴ്സ്, ഇത് കോർഡിനേഷൻ ചെയ്യാൻ ഞങ്ങളെ സഹായിച്ച ശ്രീകുമാർ, സന്ദീപ് എന്നിവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ വിനീതമായ നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുകയാണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ലൈറ്റ് ആൻഡ് സൗണ്ട് AR സൗണ്ട്, സ്റ്റേജ് ഡെക്കറേഷൻ ജതീഷ് എന്നിവരുടെ പ്രയത്നങ്ങളാൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ പ്രോഗ്രാം നല്ലതായി ഇവിടെ അവതരിപ്പിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞതിൽ എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങളുടെ നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
As a token of appreciation and love and affection, I would like to adorn a Ponnada to Harsha Krishnakumar.
Thank you, Reggie Cheta, for coming and supporting us.
I would like to say a few thank yous. Thank you, Bhumika, for coming from Bangalore. Honestly, she's supported me through thick and thin, and today was really, really difficult, but Vaishnavi, Janani, and Bhumika cheered me on. Thank you, Premanti, and everyone for helping me backstage and Chadwanti as well, for helping me backstage with water and my costume changes. Thank you to everyone for coming. This honestly could not have been done without you guys. And thank you especially to Neethanti. I've been with you for almost 10 years, and you've encouraged me so much, and you're like a second mom.